Yeah, I'm the kind of bird that likes to travel. So when I got the chance to see Egypt for the first time, how could I resist?
Egypt was named after its most richest yet ruthless pharaoh, Lee. This guy was a real prick if you ask me. He enslaved millions just to build monuments of himself. I mean, what kind of self-absorbed bastard would do that to people, really? But we're not here to discuss a history lesson. We're here to discover the Pharaoh Lee's tomb. And we're just checking into our hotel room right now. Obnoxious fountain, if you ask me. What a dick.
You know, just because you guys on a robot doesn't mean you have to be late.
Yeah, sorry, Eddie. We got caught up with all the tourist attractions.
Anyways, while you guys were out dilly-dallying, I found out where the location of Lee's tomb is. So you can thank me now. Yeah, thank you very much.
Really? Where is it? Yeah, where is it, Eddie?
Well, I must warn you two that it's full of death and destruction and decay and ruin. It's located under the Sphinx statue. Or is it the Lynx statue? Or is it the Pink statue? I don't know what it's called. But anyways, that monument in the center of town is located under there. Thing is, travelers known about it for a very, very long time. It's just except nobody wanted to go near it because it's booby-trapped to the freaking gulls. And nobody who's entered it yet has come out alive. So I'm gonna be staying here at the hotel while you guys do that. So have fun. Yep, definitely good being a robot.
So we got to the pink statue, or whatever the fuck it's called, and guess what? There was only one trap. Luckily, I was able to fly under the swinging axes and deactivate the switch. Then Punsy came running up behind me. And then there it was, Lee's tomb. But there was something funny about it. We could hear something. Like something yelling underneath the sarcophagus.
Who dares to enter my domain?
That's a talking mummy. That is a talking mummy, and also that same dick who enslaved all those people just so he can have monuments built of himself. I can't even believe this guy. This guy makes me want to puke. Seriously.
A mummy? I don't know what you're talking about. Enslaved them? No. They started doing that after I told them a joke. And then they became obsessed with me.
Really? What joke? Yeah, what joke?
What joke? Let's see. Here it is. Why did the chicken cross the road? Because. What else is a chicken supposed to do with its time?
Wow, that was really funny. Yeah, that was really funny. Please tell us another joke. Yeah, come on, tell us another joke. I'll give you my grandfather's pocket watch if you tell us another joke. I think I got a break bird child. Please tell us another joke. Tell us another joke. Come on, tell us another joke. Come on, tell us another joke.
Oh no, it's happening again.